Milé deti, rozpoviem vám jeden príbeh, ktorý sa stal veľmi, veľmi dávno.
Posaďte sa. Čo nám chýba? Čo, je na obede ešte? No dobre, tak ako sa mávate? Naposledy sme si pozerali nejaké derivácie. Máme pekný príklad na tabuli, ešte nám tam chýba nejaké také dokončenie. No ukážte sa seminaristi, ako to zvládate. Na čo by si povedal?
Ja to neviem, to vôbec. To Ečko prvýkrát živote.
Ečko sa ti nelúbi. A prečo? Ečko je najkrajšie z nich. Ako sa derivuje E na X tu? No však E na X tu, však práve to. A teraz vlastne nám zostáva už iba podiel. Ako sa derivuje podiel? Čiže U derivované krát V, teda čítateľ zderivujem, tak mi diktujte.
2x
Áno.
12
Áno.
plus 24.
Takže plus 0, dobre. Spodok sa opíše. Dobre, potom aké znamienko?
Ja som to
Minus. Áno.
Dobrý deň.
Dobrý.
Prepáčte, že prerušujem. Pani profesorka, mohla by si na chvíľočku?
Jasne, chvíľočku. Môžete to dokončiť, chlapci.
Tichučko.
I'll be your light, your match, your burning sun. I'll be the bright and black that's making you run, and we'll feel alright. We'll feel alright, 'cause we'll work it out. Yeah, we'll work it out. I'll be doing this if you ever doubt. Till the love runs out, till the love runs out. I'll be a ghost, your game.
17. LR.
Zing clapping like one, and I feel alright, and I feel alright.
No, skúsime to na
Musíme, lebo koniec. Čo budeme potom robiť?
Čo normálne, buď prirodzený. Musíš to šľahnuť.
Potom utekaj.
Valíme.
Vypínam sa na vec.
Úplne vieš, čo najrýchlejšie, jasné?
You can sit down. Okay, who is absent today? Nothing new, nič nového. Takže vy už ste nám štvrtáci. Kde vás mám? Tu. Dneska je...
Piatok.
Piatok. Fakt. OK. Do you have your homework? No. Okay. So, open your homework in your workbook on the page 8, I think. Okay.
We all want the same thing. We all run for something. For God, for fame, for love, for hate, for gold, for rust, for diamonds, for dust. I'll be your light, your match, your burning sun. I'll be the bright and black that's making you run. I got my mind made.
To bola bečkárska. Ja to môžem.
Čo?
Tak počujte, skúsime to do tretice. Unesieme Joža a vymeníme ho za triednu knihu.
Till
Ale ako sa máte?
Dobre som, a čo potrebujete?
A čo, aké svaly máte?
Čo potrebujete?
Nič my sme vás prišli iba tak pozrieť, sa pozrieť
No,
na vás.
keď prídete, tak určite čo potrebujete?
Nie, naozaj nie.
Priznajte sa.
Nepriznáme sa.
Priznajte?
Nepriznáme sa.
Priznajte?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of patty cake with no hands. Got me in this club making wedding plans. If I take pictures while you do your dance, I can make you famous on Instagram. Hot damn it, woo. Your booty like 2 planets. Woo. Go ahead and go ham sandwich. Woo. Whoa, I can't stand it, 'cause you know what to do with that big fat butt.
Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of Cadillac, Cadillac, pop that trunk. Let's take a shot, Ollie, you that don't. Tired of working at 9 to 5. Well, baby, let me come and change your life. Hot damn it, woo. Your booty like 2 planets. Woo. Go ahead and go ham sandwich. Woo. Whoa, I can't stand it, 'cause you know what to do with that big fat butt. Oh, yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shake it, girl. Just a little bit of wiggle, wiggle. Shake what your mama gave you. Misbehave you. I just wanna strip you, dip you, flip you, bubble babe you. What
No, już ho mamy. Tak
taste
to
my
wygląda.
raindrops cable. And what you will and what you want and what you may do. Completely separated till I deeply penetrate.
Dobrý deň, pani profesorka.
Dobrý deň, holúbkovia.
Dnes vám tu veľmi pristane.
Ďakujem veľmi pekne.
Ale o to tu dnes nejde.
A o čo vám ide, chlapci?
Máme návrh. Triedna kniha alebo Jožo.
Jožo? Ten ešte stojí za hriech. Beriem.
Je to v suchu. Môžete odoviesť.
Rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes, those are green. Draped in a leopard mink, girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this, smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in bummy and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand me down? Thank you.
Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go. Look, I'm betting you like people, and I'm betting you love freak mode, and I'm betting you like girls to give love to girls and stroke your little ego. I bet you I'm guilty, your honor. That's just how we live in my genre. Who in the hell done paved the road wider? There's only one flow and one rider. I'm a damn shame, order more champagne, pull a damn hamstring, tryna put it on ya. Let your lips spin back around, come up. Slow it down, baby, take a look. Blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together baby, whistle, baby. Here we go.
My whistle ready to blow. Shawty don't even know she can get in it for the low. Told me she not a pro, it's okay.